What's going on, guys? It's Michael Katz here from Mickey Stocks, bringing you the most important information you need in order to trade properly this week, 21st of March. Let's begin. So guys, like always, stick till the end to know which stocks we are going to buy or short this Monday. But first, let's start with the economic calendar. This week we got two major news coming from the real estate market: existing home sales and new home sales. Both of them will publish 30 minutes after the opening bell. Then on Wednesday, Jerome Powell, the Federal Reserve Chairman, will testify before the economic community. This should definitely move the market up or down 30 minutes after the opening bell. And then on Thursday, like always, jobless claims, but also the GDP for Q4. So we got plenty of news that can move the market up or down this week. Now let's look at the charts. Like always, guys, we are analyzing the E-mini Nasdaq 100 contract and also the S&P 500. If you watched my previous reviews, you see that I'm usually analyzing on a 4-hour chart, sometimes changing it to a lower interval for 1H, for example. As you can see, I always keep my lines and my draws, so you can see exactly what we discussed previously. Last week we was right again. Nasdaq reached that support level, and from that point we said that the price should continue higher all the way to 13,200. This is exactly what we've seen, and then we said that it might drop on Wednesday after the FOMC report, and this is exactly what we've seen so far. The same happened on the ES, went all the way up, breaking through this resistance level, and from that point on Wednesday, after the FOMC report and Jerome Powell's speech, we saw the market dropping down all the way to that support level. So this week, when we're analyzing the S&P 500 on a 4-hour chart, it looks pretty amazing to the downside after creating this head and shoulder pattern. So from that point, I can definitely see it dropping another 100 points unless we will break through this level of 39.21. If we'll break through that level, you can cancel this head and shoulder pattern and we will push higher, probably to the 39.60 again. Same happening on the NQ, the Nasdaq, looking pretty good to the downside after creating this head and shoulder pattern. Breaking through the 12,785 could push us down all the way to the 12,400, but just make sure we are not closing above this resistance level. If we do that, we might continue higher. Now, before going to the hot stocks of this week, I want to give you 5 IPOs that you gotta pay attention to them, definitely if you are day trading, and even if not, those stocks can skyrocket, so let's check them out. The first IPO symbol is ACVA. IPO date is the 24th. This company is basically changing the game of online dealer auctions. You can go ahead to their website and check them out. The company backed by Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and many more. Second company symbol is DOCN, Developer Cloud. Definitely one of the hottest industries for our time. It's all about storage, and cloud systems are doing it perfectly, so definitely keep an eye on those. The third one is my favorite symbol, DRS, also IPO date 24th of March. This company have already $600 million with the US military contract, and basically they are changing the power system of the vehicle. Instead of being a tow generator, they're replacing it with a Titan next generation onboard power, and this is amazing and probably going to change the whole industry. I'm super excited about this stock. Keep an eye on this one, DRS, for day trading definitely, and maybe for the long run as well. Symbol OLK, IPO date 25th of March. This company is basically focusing on protein in order to understand more the human biology in real time. This is definitely another breakthrough in the healthcare department, so make sure you watch this one as well. And lastly, symbol SEMR, a company that gives you all-in-one when it comes to SEO, content marketing, PPC, social media, and so on. Definitely can be a game changer. Already working with a lot of big names. such as Walmart, PG, Forbes, Booking, Call, and so on. Make sure you check them out as well. The 25th of March will be the IPO date. Now let's go to the hot stocks. Last week we had two hot stocks, CLR and INO. We waited for CLR to break through the 3120. It didn't do that, so we don't have a trigger for that. INO got in above 1060 and we're still in, waiting for it to go higher. 2 weeks ago I gave you AMCX. Last week it reached our target at 80, giving us a little bit more than $8 per share. And we're still in on FIZZ, waiting for it to go higher. Our stop loss is at 47. So this week I got one long and one short position. The first one, AMC, looking amazing to the upside at 1440. I'm actually already in. I bought it at $3. Took it all the way up, and right now I want to see it going higher again, at least to the $17. Our second stock is Walmart, WMT. I'm analyzing it on a weekly chart, meaning this trade, if it goes through, should take a little bit longer than what we usually expect from a daily chart, obviously. So my trigger for Walmart will be 129.15. If it will break this level, I will go short. At least for this moment, our stop loss will be at 135, but we might have a different one, depends on when it will break this level. Like always, guys, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel and like and follow the Facebook page to get more free and important content every single week. Have a great trading week. We'll be in touch. Bye bye.